In a real rice mobile. Yee. Wide body a little extra wide. Fake Rick Roll. Oh yes sir. At the ball. What are you waiting on? Pass the ball. You did all that to turn that bitch over. Oh my. Boy, that boy moving. Oh yeah. Hey, man, niggas. Our ass.
She want us to goddamn self. Y'all see what's going on. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie.
No pressure.
I'm about to go home and change.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy G1GB Nigel back here with another video. And today, got a pair of custom shoes I got delivered to Mr. Goddamnit. Sadly, I won't show y'all the production of the shoes, but doing something for a celebrity or somebody that's kind of famous, my airbrush tends to break every time. If this is your first time seeing me on the screen, please make sure you hit that sub button, drop a like, drop a comment. I'll get with y'all when I get there. Hey man, I got enough money. So we just made it down here. Well, so I just made it down here, and y'all already know who I'm waiting on, bro. Every time I come pick this nigga leak up, he's never ready. He didn't, bro, was still on the interstate 15 minutes away, and he's still not outside, bro. He that one motherfucker that you just gotta wait on, bro. No matter if you tell him you outside and you 20 minutes away, or you outside and you 5 minutes away, the nigga not gonna be ready, bro. So waiting on this nigga, man.
Approximately 10 hours later.
I gotta wait. I gotta wait. No.
I'm saying I gotta pay my jacket and shit.
Oh. Man, when I tell y'all I always gotta wait on this man, bro. Every time, bro. Nigga never be ready. How you feeling, man? How you feeling? Ooh. Huh? Who? Oh yeah. That's what we came for right there? Man of the hour? Mr. Red. Should we show them the sauce right now or not? Just wait on it.
You gotta get some of these cards.
Just wait on it. Okay. You feeling like in the Hellcat today, man? That's how you feeling?
Of course, bro.
Oh yeah, they motherfucker here straight. Little Hemi. It's a little Hemi.
What size tire them in?
What size is it even? 275. The hell they get 275s on the front?
You got 3 or 5s on the back.
Damn. Big meat Larry Hoover's on that bit, bro. All knees are wide, buddy. What the fuck? I'm sorry. I can't speed past it. What the hell? What the hell? Go Docs! Go Docs! Go Docs! Go Docs! Boy, preaching? You preaching? Yeah, Durango tough. Oh, this goddamn, fuck, what's this nigga name? Damn, is that Skip? I knew I remember his voice, bro. Dude, the bald head. Oh, it's big RS. Shit say King shit only. King shit only. With your V6. Where they do that at, bro? What? 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 That wide body look extra wide. That bit do look extra wide though, but probably because he got
He got 305s on the back, 315s.
got to, bro. Them gotta be 315. Man, that shit still tough. What's going on? Hey, what side tie this here? I'm saying it's 315? I figured it. Oh, 315 back there, bro. In a real rice mobile. It's the real rice mobile. This nigga at is what made you do this? That's a good question, my boy. You got the perfect at. Got the perfect at, my boy, for this car, because I can't understand what made you do this. But y'all see these wings from back here, boy? We can have lunch on that bit. Woohoo!
I ain't even realize I ain't see this. She ain't even.
You see this one?
Boy, got the cane in on the window.
Yeah.
Bro, I'm just saying, bro. This is rice.
The rice of the rices.
The rices of the rices, bro. I'm sorry, but rice.
You stupid.
Gotta finish them motherfucker, bro. Nigga really just drove that bitch out here incomplete. Lee, can you get a bucket, bro? Can you get a bucket, one?
Hey, man, I might come out of retirement for a quick second.
Man.
As soon as I shoot that bit, I'm gonna start sweating. Them motherfuckers, boy, I'm so hot, boy.
That boy already sweating out, man. Why these boys hooping this hot as fuck outside, bro? Man, I feel like I'm banging LaGrange. What these niggas arguing about? Oh yeah. Show me something, my boy. Show me something, fam. Oh yeah. Show me something. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah, good post.
Oh yeah.
Baby down there.
Oh yeah. Look. Yes sir. Oh yeah. Good fake Rick Roll. Oh yes sir.
They might be the oldest 505 I ever seen.
Oh God, I just really realized that, bro. Damn. Everybody over 30.
Shoot that. Them kush.
Okay.
Good shot, boy.
These niggas are ass. I'm sorry. Hey, hey. Yeah, boy. Boy, that shit not cab, boy. Oh, watch out, lead. Oh yeah, give his ass a ball.
Bruh.
Gotta go my vlog. Gotta shoot this bit one time.
Oh, shit.
Oh, that my boy Mo hated, boy. My boy Mo hated, bro. Hold up, my boy Mo hated. Mo hated. God damn. Oh yeah, D up, fool. Oh my God. Oh my God. Show me some lead. Hey. Boy, that's pool. Boy, that bit pool. Oh yeah, show me something, fool. Oh my God. Oh my Lord. Oh yeah. This is funny as hell.
Bro got the leggings on down there. He better go crazy.
Oh yeah.
Oh, good shot, boy.
That big.
He's scared.
That big.
Oh, this boy still.
Oh, my boy called ball. My boy called ball. My boy called ball. Gotta respect the call. These niggas are terrible. My God, boy. Do it. Had the ball, boy. Had the ball. What are you waiting on? Pass the ball. Did all that to turn that bitch over.
Damn. Ooh, that bitch feels too good.
Oh God.
Let's go, Gianni.
Oh yeah, show me some. Oh yeah, ooh, like Toy ACLs in there, nigga. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, them good.
Oh, them Gucci. Hey, yes sir. Yes sir. Oh God, smell that shit. Oh yeah, good move.
God damn.
What's a goddamn? Oh, we back in the green, boy. These niggas arguing over now. When you handles that, let me see something. Hey. Oh. What size up packet that is? Oh, you had my boy half in sport mode, ain't he? My boy in half sport mode, bro.
Yeah, for sure.
Half sport mode, bro. Boy, in half sport mode. That's crazy. Clean that paint D.
Paint biscuit.
Show me some, boy.
Go by him.
Pull that bit. Pull that bit. Damn. Shit. He missed his ass. I don't want to play out here, boy. I be the guy took out there, boy.
Damn, that nigga moving. Knock his ass out there.
Oh, God. Give his ass a buck.
Damn, Joe.
Oh yeah. Boy, that boy moving. Oh yeah. Hey, man. Oh yeah. You better make it. Call it for the ball.
Do that shit.
Oh my God, boy. Show me some. Let go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, green. Show me some. Oh yeah.
Come on, boy.
Oh, good move.
Waiting on the spot.
Boy got net. They on the dot.
Go through.
Show me some. And that illegal ass screen.
Stay with him.
Oh, good move. Oh my lord. Okay.
Everybody make a run in basketball. Y'all had y'all decide now.
Oh. But when I tell y'all that was the fucking worst, oldest hoop session I ever seen in my life, boy. Them niggas were goddamn cool, bruh. Gotta beat them niggas with my goddamn eyes closed, bro. I swear to God.
She want us to goddamn himself. Y'all see what's going on. We got the big homie. Big homie, go ahead and tell him what's going on, man. You know what I'm saying?
Hey, man, we got some custom tips.
Once I got some custom tips, this goddamn. Let's go ahead and check him out, goddamn. I see this car on IG. I never seen him in person. Let's go check him out. Yeah, how that kick out, man. Huh? Yeah, how that kick out, man. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Dog, you this tight ass shit, like I'm about to take my blood pressure and shit. Sure? Hey, I don't know. Let me see what's going on. Sure. What's going on, man? Ooh, oh.
Let me see.
That motherfucker.
What that say?
Mr. Goddamn.
Ooh.
Ooh. Yeah, these motherfuckers hard, boy. These motherfuckers hard.
Got to, man.
These motherfuckers hard. Yeah. Y'all see this? Hold on. Oh, Lord.
Let me see it.
Oh, Lord. Hold on.
Let me zoom in on that. Let me get on that. Oh. Yes, Sirski. How you rocking with them, bro?
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie.
Them pressure.
I'm about to go home and change, nigga. Y'all see it. Boy came through with the kicks, you know what I'm saying?
I know I go crazy. I know I go crazy.